This is a potato. This is a tomato. This is an onion. This is a garlic. This is a carrot. This is a cabbage. This is a brinjal. This is a bottle gourd. This is a pumpkin. This is a cucumber. This is a spinach. This is a bitter gourd. This is a pointed gourd. This is a ridge gourd. This is a snake gourd. This is a green peas. This is a beans. This is a radish. This is a cauliflower.